Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 840 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the Tarte Tarteist lip paint in the shade Homeslice. And this is from my May 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. I will definitely have that unboxing video linked in the description down below. And this is my last May 2020 Ipsy product that I have to try out, which means I'm going to be doing my full face makeup tutorial using all of my Ipsy products for the month of May. And I'm so excited. I got some really great products. So that's a great video to give you updates on the products because I've already done the full dedicated review videos on all of them with my first impressions. But in the full face makeup tutorial, I can let you know how I've been liking them. And so make sure you're subscribed and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss out when that video goes up. But I'm really excited about this Tarte lip paint. I love long-lasting, transfer-proof lip products, and this also looks like an amazing color. So I love the doe foot on these. You can see how it kind of has a bend shape to it. It looks like a little mitten. And I'm gonna go ahead and do a swatch. Yes, such a beautiful peachy pink nude shade. I'm so excited to see how this looks on my lips. I feel like this is going to be a gorgeous, perfect nude for any time, any day. That's what I'm hoping at least. I'm gonna go ahead and find out. So this retails for $20. My lips, this is no surprise, are very dry right now, so I'm hoping this will feel really comfortable on them, even though it is a matte liquid lipstick. Comfortable on them, even though it is a matte liquid lipstick. This being called a lip paint is so accurate because that's exactly what the texture reminds me of. It's kind of a thin formula, but so pigmented. So it's just like a paint for the lips. And it really does dry down so quickly. And it's not sticky. This is one thin layer and it's almost completely opaque, but I just want to go in with one more layer to completely build up the color. But I am really liking this color so far. This color is so pretty, but I honestly don't think it's necessarily a nude shade for me. It's much more of like a peach, pink, more of a statement lip than I was expecting, but I love it. It's a really great spring, summer shade. So I honestly feel like I need to put on a lip gloss or some sort of lip topper or a lip balm underneath, just because I only just put this on and it's already feeling uncomfortable, and I just don't personally love the look of my lips with all the texture. I've just tried so many products that really smooth out my lips and I prefer that so much more. So I'm excited to try this lip product out with other products to make it just look smoother and feel more comfortable. But I really like I said, my lips were dry before I applied this. And I love that this does not budge. There's absolutely no transfer in my lips, like no smudging. It's so even though this is not clinging to any of the dry patches, so that's great. I feel like
my
really
lips
growing my
look and
Tarte
feel
makeup
kind of
collection
dry.
through my
I
Ipsy
feel
boxes
like I'm
lately,
wearing that
and I love that. I
stereotypical
love
matte
trying out
lipstick
Tarte
that
makeup
feels-
products. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite Tarte products are. And if there are any favorites out there that I have not tried yet, I'm definitely going to pick those up. I feel like even at Ipsy this month, I got some